Fashion is a big part of our daily lives. It is so much more than just what you wear, but what it says about you, what it says about society and how you want to be seen. And it's not just what you wear, but how you wear it that matters. Every detail counts, and every article of clothing is a reflection of the person wearing it. This is why fashion is so important.
Hello and welcome to Luxury Premier, the ultimate destination for dreamers pursuing insight. And if you're here with us, it's not a coincidence that you are watching this video. Here in Luxury Premier, we only want what is best for you. May our videos inspire you and hope that all of your dreams may come true.
Fashion and luxury are two words that many of us associate with money. Luxury brands are often among the most expensive items in a store. Many of us dream of wearing the latest trends and styles, but it can be difficult to find the right pieces to fill our wardrobes. Fashion and luxury are two words that are often used interchangeably, but they are not one and the same. In order to understand the meaning of these words, it is important to understand the definition of fashion. Fashion is defined as the art and science of creating, altering, and maintaining the style of the clothing, ornamentation, and adornment of a person or an entire society. And it is also defined as a prevailing trend in a style of dress or a particular period, group, or people. On the other hand, luxury is defined as a state of great well-being and comfort, indicating opulence and abundance. The luxury spectrum is a broad term that refers to the range of expensive goods, services, and experiences that are available in any given society. The luxury spectrum can range from a basic need all the way up to a luxury item. For example, in a society where people earn a living wage, the luxury spectrum would consist of basic necessities like a home, food, and clothing. In a society with a high standard of living, the luxury spectrum would consist of items like a luxury car, expensive vacations, and designer clothing. In the world of designer labels, Christian Louboutin's red sole shoes have become a symbol of luxury footwear. The iconic red bottoms are a symbol of not only the Louboutin brand but also of its exorbitant price tag. Wearing these shoes implies that you belong to the high fashion elite. But why are Louboutin shoes so pricey? Louboutins are an opulent purchase from $650 to $6,000. Let's look at what warrants such a high price. The designer clothes are sold at a premium. Louboutins are known to be on the more expensive side of the fashion spectrum, even among the affluent. The simple explanation for high cost: high quality goods are expensive to produce. This pair of shoes were created in Europe. Louboutin claimed in a New York Times piece that making shoes in Europe is now more expensive. The cost of producing shoes in Europe has risen in tandem with the strengthening of the euro versus the US dollar over the last decade. The cost of materials is also a big component in the astronomically high payment amount. When it comes to constructing a sleek, contemporary shoe, high-quality materials are required. The materials used in these characteristic items are of the highest quality, ranging from Swarovski crystals to exotic furs. The Louboutin brand isn't the only one looking for unique materials. The gap in raw resources is widening as competition with Asian firms for high-quality commodities rises. The final price of a pair of Louboutins is influenced by the circumstance of higher demand and lower supply. Louboutin shoes are renowned for their meticulous attention to detail. The unusual features give attention to these iconic shoes, which are designed to stand out. Quality craftsmanship reflects this meticulous attention to detail. It will cost a little more money because it will take more time and effort to make. Customized Louboutin red soles can cost up to $6,000. Marie Antoinette was a unique capsule collection from the company in 2009 with only 36 pairs made and priced at $6,200 each. The variety of personalization options available for these soles is what makes them so pricey. Louboutin red soles are made using the most exotic leathers, embellishments, and silhouette ideas, all while keeping the desires of its customers in mind. Sketching, material selection, polishing, and finishing are all part of the 30-step process that adds up to the price of the red soles. The concepts are turned into three-dimensional designs before being cut out of leather. The business ensures that expert cutters operate in pairs. Stitching follows, and the upper can occasionally be constructed of different materials. Handmade soles are sourced from a number of different factories. The application of red lacquer assures consistent results, resulting in the perfect red bottom look every time. The surface decoration on Louboutin red soles is what makes them so appealing. Swarovski crystals, 3D applique, alligator skin, gold chains, and sequins. There isn't much that Louboutin can't do. The cost of Louboutins is often a stumbling block for prospective customers. Affluent footwear, on the other hand, is more of an artwork than a piece of equipment. Owners of Christian Louboutins are amassing works of art in the same way that someone may amass a collection of fine art. They're merely exhibiting them through their fashion sense rather than on their walls. Regardless of the manner, the artwork is employed to make a statement to the world, as evidenced by the luxury fashion market. In 1991, what is today a worldwide famous brand began in a Parisian store. Princess Caroline of Monaco was one of his first customers when he started selling solely women's shoes. It's no surprise that the brand has become linked with grandeur, as it's frequently seen on the feet of royalty and celebrities alike. The crimson soles are arguably the most important reason for the high price tag because they are just a status statement. Everyone wants to buy them, but not everyone has the financial means to do so. The shoes' notoriously high price tag is as well known as the shoes themselves. It's impossible to deny that they serve as a platform for their owners to flaunt their wealth to the rest of the world. These soles have even made a name for themselves in the worlds of celebrities, show business, and music. Louboutins stand out even on the red carpet as they pose for photos. Celebrities wear Christian Louboutin products. Even from a distance, Louboutin fans will notice the shoes. Louboutins are an investment in your wardrobe when you spend top dollar for them. Red bottoms are not only iconic, but they are also timeless pieces that will boost your look in any situation. The appeal and uniqueness of having these red-bottomed beauties are undeniable. Christian Louboutin has offered numerous distinct themed collections to the public over the years. The rarer the material, the more sought and special it becomes. The heels are ridiculously high. Most designers' shoes are shorter from toe to heel, taller in the arch, and tighter across the width of the foot, and their proportions have been even more exaggerated with time. With his crimson soles, Louboutin is no longer simply a phenomenon for women's shoes. The brand is also commanding the men's footwear market as well. The luxury lifestyle is now within reach of everyone. There are many brands that are now affordable to the everyday person. There are also a lot of people who are willing to spend their money on luxury items these days. With that being said, there is a lot of information on how to live a luxury lifestyle. In the world of fashion and luxury, there are many different types of products that people buy and use. There are many different types of luxury items that are available on the market, but some are more popular than others. Certain luxury items are well known worldwide, such as Rolex watches, Louis Vuitton purses, and Gucci shoes. Other luxury items are brand new, such as Apple iPhones and iPads. But in the end, it all comes down to personal choice. The ultimate luxury is a feeling that comes with a certain item. To find the ultimate luxury, you must consider what you are looking for. If you want a luxury item that is going to last for a long time, you should look for items that are made out of high-quality materials. You should also consider how long you are willing to wait for the luxury item. If you're looking for a luxury item that is going to last for a short time, you should look for items that are made out of trendy materials. The ultimate luxury is something that you feel and not something that you you see.
Today, we hope you learned something new that you will remember for the rest of your life. We'd like to thank everyone who has stayed with us this far, despite the fact that we have never met. Please know that we respect and admire you for choosing to be here today. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us, dreamers. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos.